Josue Coco identifies domain and range. Recall that if A is greater than 0, the parabola will open upwards. Okay, now let's begin when x equals 0. Y equals 0 to the second power. 0 times 0 is 0, so y equals 0. How about when x equals 1? Y equals 1 to the second power. Y equals 1 times 1, and it gives us a product of y equals 1. Let's continue with y equals negative 1 to the second power. That's going to be y equals negative 1 times negative 1. And now give us a product of y equals positive 1. Continuing when x equals negative 2. Y equals negative 2 to the second power. Y equals negative 2 times negative 2. Y equals positive 4, because a negative times a negative gives us a positive. Alright, now let's stay here. Y equals 2 to the second power. Y equals 2 times 2, giving us a product of y equals 4. So we begin to notice that y will always be positive. Positive 4, positive 1, positive 0, then another positive 1 over there, and another positive 4. Positive, 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 and positive. Let's place our calculations to the side here and make some space to sketch out a rough sketch of the parabola. Recall that A is greater than 0, then the parabola will open upwards. We'll begin by drawing our x and y axis for the rough sketch. Y, x. And since we know that when x equals 0, y equals 0, The vertex will be in the origin, opening upward, so the parabola opens up upwards. Excuse me. Okay, let's minimize this here and begin identifying the domain and the range using intervals. Here we have domain, which is x, and we'll stay here open interval negative infinity to positive infinity. That will be the domain. Next, continuing with range, which is y. Y will be a half interval. We'll symbolize it with a Kelly bracket starting at 0 to infinity and close it with a parenthesis.